welcome back to another one of our videos. We're here today at the Nisenan Nature Center, and we are going to be talking about some information facts about this. So during the nighttime, after the sun sets, lots of animals like skunk, crickets, bats come at night, and more. A few of these plants right here, we're going to be showing you later on in the video, like tulle. I can see some right there near the frog place, where I can show you. It's the pond where a lot of frogs are. So early European people described this California as their paradise because they simply survived in their habitats and what their nature provided to them. All right, we're moving on next to the Nisenan tribe. So in the Nisenan, the southern Maidu they thrived in this area 12,000 years before the European people came in the 1830s. Isn't that crazy? 12,000 years ago? I'm sure nobody was born that time. So this is, I think, what they used to sleep in, make their homes, and over here they used acorn that they found on trees. They washed them up and they turned them into flour with this. And that right there is the storage rooms. So imagine they killed an animal. They put the storage meat in there. Here's an example of one of the homes right here. This home was made years ago. So this is a tool house. It's made with actual tool. Look inside. Whoa!
You can see the sky.
I know, right?
Yeah.
Honestly, I live here myself. And here we are, my favorite part, the area where all the tribes used to make their flowers and stuff. So they get acorns, they wash them in those holes, and with those holes, they crush them up so they can make flour with them. And then they put them in those holes again, and then they dried them up. And after that, they had plain old flour. So if you had to make your own flour for bread, how would you do it? Today, you would probably use a modern grinder that requires electricity. But a long time ago, they used sticks. And over here is the place where they used to make fire for cooking meat and stuff. And over there, we have the swamp. Just like I told you earlier, there's some tulle over there, a lot of tulle. And all this swamp is just not looking well.
And
look, as we saw a picture over there, remember? Tulle everywhere. And I have no idea why, but that looks like bamboo. There is so much more tulle over here. This is the marsh market. So imagine you want to build a boat, but you don't have one. So you usually get some. It's hard. You get some tulle. Imagine you build a boat together with it and put it with hard supporting, and you make a boat to drive. And usually they use maybe the stick to stab fish with it, and they bring it back up. They can have food. And ooh, a net.
And
They could use a net too. And here's some cattails that we're gonna see next in this video. Look, guys, as you can see here, there's some cattails like we just saw. There's another one of those homes, but that one looks different. Two house construction. Two houses were temporarily structures that traditionally built at the end of spring and replaced next year. Oh. So these are just made of tulle, but it doesn't look like tulle to you like we thought earlier, right? Huh. More like straw. Maybe they made them with tulle, but it just made like that without tulle. And over here we've got some pollinator paradise. Oh my God! These are the places where Marco bees get their honey, and hummingbirds just eat the stuff off those flowers. Butterflies can just eat it. All right, so now we're going to go back to the place where over there in these areas where there is usually a play structure made by the American tribe. I think so. So you can see play structures over here. Like, first right here we have the weather station. Like, imagine it like rained one day, and then you could see how much feet rain came from and how much feet rain laid on the floor. And you could see it is 1.152 inches. That's what they use it for, and hail to see the weather. The weather is all around us. And everyday temperature, pressure, rain, wind, what better? What could you learn about it? Over here we have some cut tree wood that you can make power with it and smash it. Just kidding. Over here we have a xylophone that they made that they could use to. Each one sounds different, like nothing, 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 something. Over here we have the gadget board that seems to be broken for some reason. So, the gadget board, oh, that's the gadget board. So I think it's just something to play checkers with. Chess, checkers, anything. Now we have over here the gadget board where you can learn gadgets like that. You can learn how to open locks too. Like mostly other kids play here too. Like, and over here these are listening tubes. You put your ear in and you see what you listen throughout the distance. And you can see, like imagine you see a black squirrel. And then you'd be like, I see a plastic bag. Or, I see a squirrel. And these are sensory boxes. Oh, so these are things for when you put something inside, you close your eyes and you don't look, and then you try to like guess what it is and leave. So here we have this ginormous log they can go into. Musical fence. It's just a fence that makes music. That was loud. That's the end of our video today. So goodbye. I hope I see you in our next video.
Yeah, we're ready to go out.
Okay? I hope you guys had a good experience here today. Have a great day. I hope I see you in our next video. Bye.
Stop! I said stop!